And also extensions. I'm not quite sure about that one, but I might experiment with extension. But I might step out of my comfort zone and crochet, weave. Anyways, I don't know about that one. Hey, look, I'm doing a voiceover. I really don't like doing these. But anyways, this is the braiding hair. I'm using 100% Kanekalon braiding hair in the color 1, which is the blackest color I've heard. So the hair is too long, so I'm just cutting off a few inches. I think this was about 5 inches maybe, and I take out a small section of hair as big as I want each braid to be, and I start pulling at the ends, which I'm basically just tapering the ends so it's not all blunt, so the braid can actually cascade down and be complete like a braid. And this is what happens if you do not taper the braids correctly. For this one, I got kind of lazy, didn't taper it all the way, like, oh, it'll be fine. Nope, it was not fine. It kept unraveling. Part a small section, or however big you want. And I'm using this product, of course my camera won't focus, this product, and I'm using this as a moisturizer. Applying that to the section, just to have my hair moisturized while the braids are in. And this carrot sealing oil, a nice thick oil to seal in that moisture, and I'm going to work that in as well. And then comb out the section and start braiding. I'm not really going to explain how I do it. You just watch. Plus this is like my first time doing this to myself, so before I started recording I was practicing over and over and over to do this without getting any of the pink showing, because I watched a video on how to hide colored hair in braids, and I was like, oh, that looks so easy. Tried it, didn't work. Took out the braid, tried again, didn't work. Tried like multiple times to get it done, and yeah, it didn't work. I think it'll be easier if I did it on someone else's hair, but the fact that I did it on my own hair and this is my first time, like, yeah, we just gonna have pink hair showing through, because yeah, just wasn't working. So this is what I'm doing. Everyone's enjoying the beautiful view of my wall, because clearly that's what my camera wants to focus on instead of, you know, the point of the video, which is my hair. And just look at my wall. Alright, so I'm finally done, and it did not take that long. I wouldn't be able to estimate because I took like so many breaks that lasted like hours and hours. But yeah, this is the final result. I like it. It looks nice and neat. Some of them are loose. It's not perfect. This is my first time, but yeah. Overall, I like how it looks, other than the pink and the purple sticking out. Wish I could have did something about that, but oh well, this is gonna have to do.